Hi there, in this video you will learn how to connect your phone to your Maruti Suzuki car's Bluetooth. This step-by-step guide will help you pair your device quickly and easy. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone. This allows your car system to detect your phone during the pairing process. Step 2. On the infotainment system, tap the phone icon. The exact menu name may vary depending on your car model. Step 3. In this menu, tap Add Devices. Step 4. You can add it from phone or infotainment system. Let's select infotainment. Step 5. You will now see a list of available devices. Select your device. Other phones may have compatibility issues, so what you need to do is update your operating system if pairing fails. Step 6. You will now get the option of selecting Bluetooth profiles. We will select them all. Step 7. When you connect your phone to your car's Bluetooth, you will see a code on your smartphone. Click on Pair and get back to your car screen and select Yes. Your phone is now successfully paired with the infotainment system. And here are some important notes and considerations. 1. Ensure the vehicle is parked before attempting to pair your phone for your safety. 2. Only one device can be connected at a time. Disconnect the others if needed. 3. Once pairing, the phone connects automatically next time you start the car. If you find some issues, consider your car's user manual or restart both your phone and the car's infotainment system to try it again. And that's it. You've successfully connected your phone to your Maruti Suzuki car's Bluetooth. Enjoy hands-free calls and wireless music streaming on your drives. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips. See you in the next one.